Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Struggling to make ends meet? It's time to take control of your financial future with these 7 life-changing saving strategies. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income as soon as it comes in. You work hard for your money, so prioritize saving for your future. Whether it's 10% or 20%, every little bit counts. Rule number 2, cut back on unnecessary expenses. Take a closer look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can trim the fat. Do you need that daily latte or the latest gadgets? By prioritizing your needs over wants, you'll be amazed at how much you can save. Rule number 3, create a budget and stick to it. Without a plan, your money will slip through your fingers faster than you can say impulse buy. Track your income and expenses and allocate your money wisely. A budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Rule number 4, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can derail your financial goals. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses and savings. It'll give you peace of mind and a safety net when needed. Rule number 5, automate your savings. Make saving effortless by setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings account. Out of sight, out of mind, and before you know it, your savings will grow significantly. Rule number 6, shop smart. Before making a purchase, always compare prices and look for deals. Use apps and websites to find the best discounts and coupons. Being a savvy shopper can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars each year. And finally, rule number 7, invest in your future. Compound interest is a powerful tool. Begin investing as early as possible to take advantage of the time value of money. Whether it's in stocks, bonds, or real estate, let your money work for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on mastering your finances and securing a brighter future.